make this spinach and fish sauce with rice because I was hungry and low-key low on iron. Let's go. This is what we're gonna need: bell pepper, spring onion, tomato, gosh, bonnet peppers. These things are like even just like spinach. I haven't washed these yet. We're gonna wash it and then tuna. Sleeves up for this because we're about to get dirty. Anyways, we're gonna wash this and then this is already washed. Let's go. Wash. I let you just soak this in salt, warm water, and some apple cider vinegar. So yeah, and some dirt came out. So yeah, wash your vegetables. Let's dice. The Scotch bonnet peppers. Even just inhaling this is like a lot. Drain the water in the tuna. So here, let's get to cooking. Let's try this. 1,000 out of 10. Let me know if you try this. Bye.